Be sure to watch my other videos on the Middlebourne community located in St. John's, Florida. Enjoy the video. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. John's County Realtor. If you're looking to buy and or sell, or looking for someone to walk you through the new construction process and would like to connect, my contact information is in the description below. The Arthur floor plan is one of David Weekley's customizable plans when it comes to structural options. This floor plan offers 3 to 6 bedrooms, 2 to 5 full baths, 1 half bath, 2 to 3 car garage with approximately 2,827 square feet. The floor plan is split into 5 zones that come with several options. The first zone we see in the model is Zone 2 with structural options for an open or closed study, a bedroom, and or a bathroom. The utility room is part of Zone 3 with 5 options to configure the utility, include a family foyer and a 2 or 3 car garage. The kitchen and dining room are part of Zone 1 where there are 15 options to configure the layout of the kitchen, dining room, and even add a prep kitchen. The outdoor area offers 15 structural options that include a cabana with a pool bath as shown in the model. Other options include an extended lanai and 12-foot sliders. Zone 4 offers 7 options for the owner's suite and owner's bath, such as a super shower, resort-style bath, and expansive walk-in closet. Zone 5 offers 6 options, such as a guest suite with a living room and a full bath, or 2 bedrooms with a retreat and full bath as shown in the model. Once again, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.